Just a quick video today. I'm going to recalibrate my torque wrench. I thought I'd show you how. Some do know, some don't know. This is at a kilter. I know this for a fact. So what you'll need for this is the luggage scales, a socket, tape measure, marker and some tape, and a calculator if you're too thick, which is me. So what we'll do, we'll mark a convenient spot on the handle. If your convenient spot is 12 inches, then it's going to work out perfect because we're measuring foot-pounds. If it's not, I'll show you the little thing you need to work out to figure it out. So let's get it set up in the vise. That goes in there. Give it a nip up. I've set the torque wrench in between its range, so it goes from 22 to 140. I've put it at 81, just to see. That'll do. So we'll measure a convenient spot on the handle from the centre of the socket, and 15 inches, which just happens to be on this line here. So for yours, get a bit of tape and mark. Yours might be 13 inches, 18 inches. If it's 12 inches, it's spot on. It's easy to work out. So turn your luggage scales on, put the strap just over in the centre and pull it till it clicks, and make a note. It's 49, 49, 48.5, 48, 48. So 48.5. Let's work it out. So figure it out. 48.5 pounds times the 15 inches that we measured. Divide that by 12. So what does that work out? Let's have a look. So 48.5 times 15 divide by 12 is 60.6 foot-pounds, which is almost 20 below. So what we'll do now, we'll release the collar. Some have an adjustment under here, some don't. If it hasn't, we can pack it out with washers. So we'll crack that off and have a little look-see behind it. Before you do, release the pressure off the spring all the way. And you can release the nut, which is that. By the looks of this hasn't got an adjustment. So what we'll have to do with this is use washers, which will compress the spring even more. So take this all the way off if yours hasn't got an adjustment. If it has, tighten it up if yours is below, or loosen it off if it's above. So take that off. What we'll do is put that back on there. There's two washers on there which allow me to compress the spring just that little bit more. So set it back to 81.5 or whatever you set yours to. Set. I can feel there's more tension. 81.5. What we'll do then is we'll pull it again with the scales. In the centre. So that was 67. 69. 69. 69. So if we work out that again, so 69 pounds times the 15 inches divided by 12, which is 69 times 15 divided by 12. Learn how to use that calculator. So 69 times 15 equals, divide by 12, 86. So we're slightly over 86.2. So we're 5 foot-pounds over. So what I found is a washer, a single one that's slightly thinner than the two put together. So if we stick that back in the vise, pop the one on, get it back up to 81.5, and then we'll try again. Right, luggage scale, turn on. Over the side. Let's see where we're at now. $64 this time. 64.2. 64.3. 64.3 again. So put the old calipers away. Let's work it out. $64 times 15 divided by 12, which is 64 times 15 divided by 12 is 80. I can live with 80. It's 1.1 out for what I'm using it for. That's fine. Let's say if it had an adjustment on there, you could dial it perfectly, but because this hasn't, adding that washer in has got it a lot closer to 81.5, and we've ended up with 80. Bang on. I can live with that. Right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.